Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, then type here File Explorer. Click here to open it. Once we are here, go to this PC, then open C drive, then go to Program Files, then open Google folder. Now open Chrome folder, then open Application folder. And here we need to rename this Chrome application exe file. So simply go to show more options and click on rename and just add anything. For example, add 2 after Chrome and hit enter. Now just right click on it, select show more options and select send to and click on desktop. After that, just close this window and right click on it, select show more option and select rename and simply type here CHROME Chrome and hit enter. Now just right click here and select task manager, then just we need to click on this details icon, just tap it, then on the right side you will get this chrome2.exe. so simply right click on it and select end process tree and click on end process tree. Once done, just close this. Now right click here and select run and type here percent local app data percent and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to just open Google folder, then Chrome folder, and now user data, and from here we need to select default folder, right click on it and you need to delete it, this default folder. Once done, close this window. After that, we need to just right click on the icon of Google Chrome, select properties, then go to compatibility and check this option. After that, we need to click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window. Now in the last step, simply right click here, select task manager. Now click on run new task, select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open system32 folder, here it is, simply double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe file, here it is, select it, just click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Here we will execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in net sh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then we need to execute sfc space / scan now. So this process will take some time to complete the complete procedure, so around 4 to 5 minutes or maybe 15 to 30 minutes. So we need to execute this command carefully. After that, simply type exit to close the command prompt window and simply restart your system. So your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.